Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you had a perfect day. We're gonna react to MAZZEL and the lesser from member HUH YUNJIN. We're gonna react to first to MAZZEL lightning dance performance video, and secondly we're gonna react to lesser member Yunjin blessing this kiss. I think her new song, and I'm really curious about this. But first see MAZZEL guys, and then we're gonna review. Okay. I think they're Japanese, isn't it? Oh my god, they're looking good. All of them. Okay. Oh, that was cool. Whoa. This is so good. Yeah. There is a... I know, that was cool. Like, really, they have perfect dance moves. Na, 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 na. Okay. Their colored nails, like, insanely cool. I think, guys, you guys like get information about the MAZZEL. You can. I had like nothing about them. Wow, I love this boy. That's just guy. Oh, that was cool. I can really wanna dance, but I couldn't. I cannot. Yeah. Yeah. Very fair song. This is so good. Oh my god, I love them. Wow. Wow. This is so good. Lightning. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, love this. Love this. Are you kidding? Love this. I love this, guys. Okay. Now Yunjin blessing this kiss, and I love her songs. And like, she released like frequently songs, and I really love this. I love their songs, everything. Okay. She's really so talented. I love Yunjin. She's looking awesome. Hey. This is so good. I love this kind of MVs, guys, because like they are giving me energy, and this amateur, like non-professional things makes me really so perfect. Like I she's talented. Wow. This is so good. Hey, hey, hey. I love this. Oh. Wow. She is a rapper in La Seraphim, but she can really dance, and she can vocaling, and this is so good. Oh my god, it's 6S of iPhone. It's really nostalgic. Oh my god, this is so good. I I I I love this. I I I Oh my god, that was really so cute. Okay, firstly we want to talk about MAZZEL. They're really what they were really so good. I love this. Their dance moves and their like facial expressions is really so good. That's my type really. And the Yunjin, she is love of my life. I love her style really. And this is so good. When I really listen her, I feel like I'm happy. Like their songs really so fit me. Okay, if you want to see a lot of MAZZEL and Yunjin songs reaction videos, you can subscribe me, guys. Love you guys so much. See you next time. See you next video.